What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-taper on one of my clients, so stay tuned. We're starting off by saturating the hair and combing everything in place. Now that our canvas is nice and neat, we can move on to our T outliners and create our first guideline. You want to make sure you contour this guideline to the head shape and you don't press too hard, because you can end up leaving a harsh line. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Make sure you make this guideline around 1 inch thick so you can spread the blend. Closing your lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. We're starting off with our Andes T outliners and we're creating our first guideline at a curved shape. Now that we're done botting them out, we're moving on to our no guard all the way open and we're following that same rainbow shape. Switching over to our one guard all the way open, we're creating our third guideline and we're still following that curved shape using the corners. Remember, we're going to soften up the line with the one guard and then move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we're switching over to our two guard all the way open and we're creating our fourth guideline. Remember, we're using the corners to follow that same curve shape. Now that the line is soft enough and we're done debulking, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Now we're moving on to the 3 guard all the way open and we're debulking the sides. There was still a little bit of bulk and I felt like the fade could have been a little bit smoother, so I went with my clip roll comb and debulked. The C cups, we're starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. We're also going to make sure we go slow enough that the hair feeds into the trimmer and it cuts properly. true length. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. I'm definitely gonna reply. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible, and we're also going to be doing his eyebrows. A few tips on using the razor: you always want to make sure you lather the skin with shave gel, and then you use the razor at a 45-degree angle, stretching the skin as much as possible.